Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, Style and Design with Raina. So viewers, in this video, I am going to show you a pointed stilettos part 16. These are very soft and elegant collection of pointed stilettos part 16. It is going to be very good video for you and very informative video. By the way friends, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then first of all, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will be the first to get my new videos. And friends, I request you to watch my videos in full. Many of my friends don't watch my videos in full and leave my channel after watching half of the video. So I request to you, please watch my whole video. Okay friends? And all the pictures I have added in this video is very stunning and so much beautiful. You will also enjoy watching this pointed stilettos video. So if you like today's pointed stilettos part 16 video of mine a little bit, then please don't forget to share this video with your friends and office colleagues. Viewers, please like, comment and share my video. And viewers, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then please first subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my new videos quickly and you can join more for watching my videos. Okay friends, so thanks for watching my video and visit my YouTube channel. Okay, my cute viewers. So till then take care and bye.